Okay, this is day 4 of our detox challenge. And today we're going to do closet and drawers. So this will be a fun one. So, did you know that the state of your closet can affect your energy and mood? So, let's talk about why it's time to detox your wardrobe and make space for what truly serves you. So, your clothes and belongings hold energy. And when your closet is full of items that don't fit, are worn out, or no longer spark joy, that energy can weigh you down. It's time to let go of what no longer serves you. Start by going through your closet and drawers. Ask yourself, does this fit me? Do I love how I feel when I wear it? And have I used it in the past year? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Holding on to clothes that are too small or too big can be a constant reminder of guilt or a version of yourself you're no longer aligned with. And let's face it, those items with holes, stains, or wear and tear, they're just taking up space. So decluttering your wardrobe changes the energy of your space. A clean, organized closet feels lighter and makes it easier to get dressed in the morning, which saves you time and energy. Here's the best part: donate the items you no longer need. Knowing that your clothes can help someone else will make you feel amazing and bring even more positive energy into your life. So, today's challenge: spend some time detoxing your closet and drawers. Keep only what you love and what makes you feel good, and clear out the rest and donate it. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and more energized you'll feel. Are you ready to detox your space and create room for new positive energy? Let's make it happen today.